Hello, food lovers! Today we're back at one of Tagaytay's hidden gems, Angefields Nature Sanctuary on Tagaytay Road in Silang, Cavite. Our dining experience took place at the Holy Family Pavilion, a massive and awe-inspiring structure resembling a grand church. This venue is perfect for hosting events or gathering with friends and family, offering a fresh ambiance inside and a lovely view outside where you might even spot some farm animals. At Cocina Bernardo, you'll find a wide array of cuisines. Pause to read more. Each dish is good for 2 to 3 persons. Among our choices were the flavorful alfungi, the perfectly grilled salmon, and to round off our meal, a delectable creme brulee. Our visits to Angel Fields are consistently outstanding, especially when we're craving their delicious grilled salmon. So the next few clips is me enjoying the gnomes. On your next visit to Tagaytay, consider bringing your family and friends to Angel Fields and let me know what you think.